everyone. Good morning. Uh, I haven't been walking for a long time. So last night I was like, oh my gosh, why not to go up tomorrow? So I'm here again. And just, I took the right decision. Uh, Hiking, mountain are the best part of my week. So when I'm here, my mind and my body feel excellent. Uh, by the way, nature makes me feel awesome. So, in addition, uh, it's a great opportunity to practice my English. Uh, Nature, hiking, English, uh, all of this makes me feel nice. Yeah, I like it. So, happy Sunday. That's it.